what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you guys so much for staying tuned. Shout out to my new subscribers. Hey, how y'all doing? And my old subscribers, I just want to say thank you guys for staying tuned and coming back to view more content. Today's video is going to be about a brand who reached out to me. It's called KCB Cosmetics, and oh my god, you guys, I love this product. So let's just jump right into the video, and I'll explain to you and basically show you guys everything that I received from this company. The makeup look that I have on today is actually it's actually KCB Cosmetics, and I'm just in love, you guys. I'm just in love. So I'll just get into the video basically. Okay, so the owner of KCB Cosmetics is Akita Bonner. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong. But she reached out to me on Facebook and wanted to send me a couple of things from her line, KCB Cosmetics. So her line consists of lip glosses, lipsticks. She also has the eyeshadow palette, and she also customizes like the packaging as far as like if you want mirrors or if you want lights on your favorite lipstick of her line, she can do that as well, which I think is amazing. She also has vegan lip balms, and I love that. Like anything that's natural, anything that's good for the body is just hand down amazing for me. Like it's a win, it's a go. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I received from her, and I'm also, well, first I'll show you guys kind of sort of my favorites already, what I've used to make this look. So first of all, her lip glosses come in a little tube like this. So yeah, this is how it looks, and it has KCB Cosmetics on it, and let's see, it shows you the name at the bottom. Come on, camera, focus. Yeah, but it shows you the name at the bottom, and the colors that I mixed to get this lip look. If you guys could see, I love it. Oh my god, I love it. So this one is called Platinum Peach, and this is what it looks like. I love this color. Oh my goodness, this color right here is so cute. It's super cute. So this color, which is Platinum Peach, and this color, which is Copper Coin, which is also so pretty. Like I've been looking for colors like this for the longest, and I just couldn't really find the right tone for my skin, and this is hitting it right on the mark. Like it's not too sheer, but again, it's not just so thick and like plain on my skin to where it just clashes with my skin tone. So I mixed these two colors together, and once I did that with these two colors, I topped it off with this little lip, this gloss here. It has glitter in it, which I love. This kind of reminds me of what does this remind me of? Fenty. This reminds me of the Fenty the little gloss that Fenty has. I forgot the name of it, but this color is exactly the color of that Fenty gloss. So not only that, the consistency of these and the smell. You guys know I'm crazy about smell, okay? It doesn't smell like candy. which, you know, I like my stuff smelling a little fruity, like candy or whatever. But it smells like roses. Like, it don't smell like candy. You would think anything that goes on your lips, if it did have a scent, it'll smell like candy. But no, this smell like roses, and I love it. It's so different. I love it. And not only that, the consistency, like, is amazing. The consistency, once you put it on, it tingles a little bit. So I'm kind of wondering if she has a like a natural lip plumper in these. But I love it. I love it. I love the smell. I love the consistency. And the packaging is cute too. It's nice and simple. It's not too over the top. So these are what I used basically for my lips. These three right here, the Platinum Peach and the Copper Coin. I use those two, and I also use the little glossy right here. Now let's get to like one of my favorites. This is her eyeshadow palette. And you guys know I've been looking for me a glitter palette for the longest that's affordable, and I just wasn't able to find anything that was affordable, because you know your girl is on the budget, okay? But this is how the glitters look. Oh my goodness, I'm so like in love, you guys. Like, oh god, I'm just so in love. Like, look at that. It is so cute. It's super cute. And the color that I have on my eye is this color right here, which immediately grabbed my attention. Now it's coming off on the camera, it's coming off like orange, but it's not orange. It's like a neon, like a neon flamingo color, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty, and it has undertones of green glitter in it. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so in love. Now the only thing that I was a little afraid of with this is that if you could look at the top, like some of the glitter transferred onto the top of this palette, so you have to be really careful with this. And the consistency of this glitter is really nice. Like, you don't even need a glue for your glitter. You could just put it on, because it's so dense. It's gonna stick to your skin because it's heavy, it's dense, which is good, because I don't even have no glitter, no glue for my glitter. So yes, oh my god, I'm so excited about that. Now let's get to a couple of other products she sent me through the mail. Now packaging just came like this in a cute little pink. You guys know I love my little cute pink packages. But yeah, so the other colors that I do have from her line is Envy Me. Now this is, let's do some swatches, you guys, because I haven't tried. This is like a green, like a ivory green, like a green ivy. Yeah, okay, so let's do some swatches. Okay, all right. This is like, and it's like a platinum green. Like, it got a tint of silver into this green. So that's cute. I like that. That's different. Another color is Mocha Brown. I like that. Mocha Brown is cute. Alright, so let's swatch this. Now this actually looks like a plum purple, like a deep plum purple to me. And it is. Yeah, it is. See? That's a deep plum purple. It's cute. And this one is Peach Me Please. That's cute. This is like a golden, like a cute little gold. A light gold though. It's not too rich of a gold. Oh. Yeah, I love the smell of this. It's super cute. Oh, okay, that's cute. This is like that's like a spring color to me, because it's so light. It's not really gold. It's more so of it do look like peach. I don't know. I can't really say, but this is more so of like something you'll wear on Easter. It's a pastel. When I look at this color, I feel like I think I passed a pastel. But she also has lipsticks that she sent me. She sent me 4 lipsticks. So this one is Flat Out Fabulous, and that's cute. This is like, okay, it's like a cute little magenta, a soft magenta. That's cute. Oh, this one is super cute, and this is Please Me. This is like the Nikki color. That's Nikki. That's Nikki right there. And what is this called? Candy Yum Yum. This is like a darker, but this is like a mix in between those 2 colors. So this is a dark pink. I can't pronounce that. It's pink. Okay. Okay. I like. And I also got a chapstick. Like I said, and I'm always saying it, I do have really dry skin, you guys. So it's important. It's really important for me, actually. It's important to have some spare chapstick in the car, in my pocket, like in my room, in my closet. Like I have to, because my skin gets so dry so quick. So this, and I tried this, I've tried this on already. This has to have some type of coconut oil, some type of shea butter in it, because the way that it goes on, not only the way that it goes onto my lips, but the way that it penetrates the skin, this has to have some type of shea butter or something in it. But the last thing but not least, Hunty, she sent me a lip scrub. It's kind of a little messy, you guys, because it's been sitting in a bag. But this is how the lip scrub comes, and it's basically, I can tell it's something with it's a brown sugar. It's so rich. It smells so sweet. But I like the fact that it's a fine grain. It's not too big to where the abrasive, it's abrasive to your skin, like just a little too high of just a little too much of being abrasive to your skin. But I like that it's a fine grain of sugar onto your skin, and it's nice. I like that. I'm gonna use this. I'll probably put this on before I start doing my face. Put it on my lips to get the dead skin off. But yes, honey. Shout out to KCB Cosmetics. And it's just, I love it. It's lovely. Also, guys, the really good news to this video is that this company has reached out to me to actually be a brand ambassador, and I am so excited. I really am. I'm so excited to just be a part of something that's growing and that's flourishing. Not only that, like, I get to actually review products and basically tell the truth and explain how much I love these products, you guys. And not only that, like, small businesses, especially small black owned businesses, I'm so down with that. I'm so excited just to be a part of that. And if any other small companies wants to reach out to me, you guys, I'll always have my email down below in case you guys want to reach out, contact me about any products you would like me to promote or anything like that, but I'm just so excited to be a brand ambassador of this company, you guys. I'll definitely make sure to leave the link down below so you guys could shop. Yes, I love y'all know I love makeup, like, and the fact that I'm just a brand ambassador and I could do this, like, I love it. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Shout out to KCB Cosmetics. Thank you for your patience, you guys. Thank y'all for y'all support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching, and just thank you. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.